Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we will be talking about whether STP is still used in project. The first, let's understand its basic concept. STP spanning tree protocol is a technology that runs within switches, and most devices have it enabled by default. Its purpose is to prevent loops, as many devices are interconnected with multiple lines. And this can lead to data being floated and transmitted repeatedly through other switches. This results in a high consumption of device resource. So, the role of STP is to block certain interface and create a loop-free effect. However, this technology is not commonly used nowadays. Firstly, STP detection is relatively slow. For example, if main line is broken, the interface blocked by STP will automatically open, but it can take up to 20 seconds, which is not acceptable in project. Secondly, if the line is broken, the modules on both ends of network device will be wasted. Although MST technology in the STP can solve this issue, switching speed is still slow. Therefore, STP has not been widely used in projects for the past few years. That's all. If you have any problem, please leave a message below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you again.